welcome to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. For today, I have a Born Pretty PR, and this one is really exciting because I got to choose a bunch of different products, and I chose 5 products in total. And I just want to say a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these to try out. So this first one is a rubber base gel. That one is the watercolor. This is a cat eye. That's a cat eye as well. And this is a cat eye too. But they are all different kinds of cat eyes. So this isn't going to be a boring video. They're all different. So first, when I opened this up, I realized that this is a whole different bottle from their other rubber base gels, as you see right here. I have all these square ones, and this one is round and different, and it looks upgraded. It looks really pretty. So I have a few of their colors already, but I saw this purple kind of color, and I just thought it was really pretty, really great for fall. So I picked that up. I'm trying out these fingers from Shein for the first time as well, and I gotta say, I really like them. They were easy, it fit in good, but look how pretty this color is. I love it. So this is the rubber base, as I said. It's a nice, thick, creamy formula that self-levels so good. So I'm just gonna do this one coat, flip it over to further help the leveling. And I go in with my second coat here, and you can see the color really building up now, and it is just so pretty. I'm definitely going to use this on my nails next. So yeah, that is the first item. And I do want to say that I do have a coupon code for Born Pretty. I will put it in the description box, as well as the links for all of these products. So this one I'm opening up right now. This is the Super Shine Cat Gel, and it is just one color, and the way you use this is you put it on top of another color, and they play off of each other. Or I guess you can just put it on clear, whatever, but this is the color it only comes in. So I'm using the rubber base gel color for my base to test this out. So I just put a nice good layer, and this is so smooth to work with. I don't know if you know sometimes that they're not that smooth when you put them on. So I'm just going to do a simple little reflect right here with the magnet, because these are just so pretty. You don't need to do anything crazy. And as you can see, it really is so shiny. It is beautiful. So I have Born Pretty's Super Top Coat. So that's what I'll be using to top coat all of these with. That is another great product. I already had that, but I do suggest that. So this is another cat eye. This one is called the Omnipotent Holo Cat Magnetic Gel. And again, this just comes in one shade. The underneath base is, what color you're going to have. Or you can do a clear, just like the last one. I do one coat, cure that up. I apply a second because I wanted to build up the color. So I apply a second, and I'm just going in with this big round magnet to, get some kind of look going on. I don't really know what I was going for. I was just playing around. But yeah, this one was really pretty as well. I should have tried this on a colored base also. But yeah, both of these are freaking gorgeous. Love them. So there we have this cat eye. So now I'm opening up the watercolor gel. So this is a clear formula, and basically this is like a blooming gel in a sense. I was just showing that I like how the bottles are different colors. You can pick this out very easily. But yeah, it's like, it's a clear formula, and you want to use a base color, or like I've been saying, for everything, or you can do a clear and then add colors to it. But yeah, I just chose to use this really bright pink, also from Born Pretty. I'm going to cure that up. I also chose this really pretty blue and orange color from Born Pretty as well. And I am going to use those with the watercolor gel. When I applied this, I didn't apply it too thick because I assume, you know, the more you have, the more it spreads, and, you know, all that, just like the blooming gel. So I did, you know, a decent normal coat of this, and you don't cure this. So once I was done with that, I just took, like, I didn't have a plan. I just wanted, you know, to see it in action. So I just did colors of the orange and the blue, like, all over. And I really like how this design came out. It reminded me of like when people do all layers of nail polish colors on top of each other, and then they file and reveal, like, you know, all these color patterns. You'll see why I'm saying that in a little bit, because on these circles, now I do orange on the blue and blue on the orange, and I let it spread out. And as you can see, this spreads out really, really nicely. It doesn't distort, you know, the shape you put on too much. I feel like when you use blooming gel, it can make it look very, you know, marbly, like really fast. And I just like how you have more playtime with this. So I did notice, like, that is the difference. You know, at first I was like, what is the difference really? But yeah, like I said, like, this doesn't spread out like crazy. You can be more accurate with your designs with this. So I really enjoyed that about this product. So lastly, what I chose is another cat eye, but this is a reflective cat eye, and this is so beautiful. It's this really pretty purpley kind of pink color. So here's the beautiful color. I freaking love this. And like I said earlier, like, these cat eyes are so smooth to put on. It's a nice loose formula with still being pigmented and having, you know, a lot of the metal in there, the magnets, whatever the heck it is. So I did one coat again and cured it to build up that color, and I did another coat on top, and now I'm going to use the magnet. And just like the other ones, I really don't do anything crazy because these do not need it. Like, they are so, so pretty. So I just let a little shine happen, and look how gorgeous that is. So yeah, that was all of my products. That was my review, unboxing. Yeah, so as usual, I'm very happy with everything I received, and a big thank you again to Born Pretty. I really do appreciate it. And thank you to you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.